Yes, hello my great people. Mko vipi? I'm good. I know mko poa, and we thank God for that. It's God's presence, it's God's blessing all of us to be available in this hour, this second. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe, like, share, and comment one of my videos. Make sure kwanza subscribe, at least to boost tufike 1k guys. Guys, there is this story about Charles, the senior officer, or officer Mr. Charles. We are happy because Charles is almost well. Yani ni kama amepona. We thank God for that. I know the mission will resume and everything will be okay. If OCS was done the way it was done, we know that Team Chorea will be exhausted very soon. As we continue to pray, let us focus. Let us encourage our children, because entering to these gangs, in these like that gang, Genke, just a very small youth entering to that, and then end up losing life because of greedism of kupenda pesa kuliko maisha. It's not good, guys. So let us advise our brothers and sisters, our children. I know fans hapa kuna watu wako na watoto wakubwa, kuna wengine hapa wako na brothers, kuna wengine hapa wako na sisters. Let us cousins, let us advise them accordingly, because mali imefika. We have lost many in that gang team. Wengine walikuwa innocent, waliletwa hapo na ile pia pressure wakafanya yende venye iko, na bado mission is not yet. So let us encourage each other and God will bless us. Nimesema, I have said, if you are new here, make sure you subscribe guys, like, share, and comment one of my videos, at least to unlock 1k. Bye bye.